Well, good afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon, so it's the last day of that 30% off ITC member deal where you can get 5 items under $20, 30% off. So here's a few that you might want to take a look at. Here's that 4-volt handheld battery. It's made by Bauer. Instead of $19.99, it's going to be $13.99. Pretty hard to beat a deal like that if you don't already have one. Even if you do, you might want to keep one in the drawer in the house and one in your toolbox. Either way, it's a pretty hot deal, so check it out when you get an opportunity. Next up, we have that reciprocating saw. It's down to $13.99 as well, normally $19.99. It's just the lower end brand. But if you don't have one, it's a deal. And my point is, right now, this is a make your own sale. If you don't see a super coupon or a regular coupon for what you want, right now you can get basically $6 off of 20. So it's now $13.99 down from $19.99. There's that ratcheting bar set for $13.99. There's also the 29-piece drill set, now from $19.99 to $13.99 with your ITC membership. And plastic welding kit. There's a lot of plastic things now, and you may not want to throw it away. These things kind of work like a soldering gun, and they melt the plastic, and inside the kit there's a few different types of plastic so that you can try to melt your repair. I have tried it. I'm not good at it, but I did get my job accomplished. So it may be something you want to check out. I'm not sure. Once again, the point of this is use that coupon. It's good till the close of business today. Make your own sale. It could be paintbrushes. I don't know what it might be, but check it out before it expires. Then there's the 30% off for everybody. These are for $10 and under. So let's just take a look at just a few examples. We got that security bit set from $9.99 to $6.99. If you don't have these, there's lots of things that require these security bits to get the head off of the screw or to get the head of the screw fitted so that you can remove it. Doesn't hurt to have an extra set at $6.99. Once again, you're going 30% off, so if it's $10, it's $7. You can't hardly beat it. So that's just an example. I've got a couple others here that you might want to take a look at. Let's see what we got here. The battery maintainers. Here's the $9.99 down to $6.99. If you got any lawnmowers or any battery starting equipment that sits for long periods of time, you need to do something to maintain those batteries. If you don't, when you get ready to use it, guess what? You're going to have to jump start it. So check this out. It's only $6.99. It's something you can pick up. It's cheap. How about that Pittsburgh Pro extension bar set? Also goes from $9.99 to $6.99. Pittsburgh's a quality brand. Of course, it's not the top brand at Harbor Freight, but hey, for $6.99, you're going to get 5 pieces. Quinn metric and SAE socket rails also down to $6.99 if you want to use your coupon on them. It's a very good use to coupon. Pittsburgh Pro Hex Bit socket set also would be knocked down to $6.99. If you don't have any hex bits, that might be a good value for you. These are always a hit. The Quinn Precision multi-bit drivers. This and an adjustable wrench in your glove box might save you from being stranded. So I highly recommend it if you don't already have one to invest in, a couple of multi-tools, pair of pliers, adjustable wrench to keep in your glove box. Use this coupon. Won't cost you nearly as much. And I believe that's all I'm going to talk about right now. I hope this offered some value to you, or at least reminded you to run to Harbor Freight this afternoon before your coupon was invalid. There's a lot of good deals. I just plucked some out of the air. There's lots of things under $19.99 that you could use these coupons on, and especially lots of things under $10 that would be useful in your toolbox. So I encourage you to check out my other videos if you want to see some of the super coupons and ITC member deals that are out there as well. So I hope this was enjoyable. If you would, please like and subscribe, comment. Hey, it's all about community. Let's keep it together. Until the next video, y'all take care.